Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into ordain. 5 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Consecrate. Which means ordain someone to a sacred office, typically that of bishop. Consecrate. For example, he was consecrated Bishop of York. Number 2. Anoint. Which means ceremonially confer divine or holy office upon a priest or monarch by smearing or rubbing with oil. Anoint. For example, Samuel anointed him king. Number 3. Appoint. Which means determine or decide on a time or a place. Appoint. For example, they appointed a day in May for the meeting. Number 4. Invest. Which means formally confer a rank or office on someone. Invest. For example, bishops whom the king had invested. Number 5. Install. Which means place someone in a new position of authority, especially with ceremony. Install. For example, the National Congress installed a new president. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.